MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Philippe, this Willemin machine, a slightly different concept to most machine tools. What actually is it and what does it do?
Actually, we developed that 308B machine especially for dental labs. I mean, obviously, dental labs, they were looking for a very compact, small machine, having a dimension to be loaded and go into a standard size, door size, I have to say. That's why the machine has been developed to go into a door 800 millimeter wide. Yeah. And then we developed the machine with different features, with a combination. What makes the machine very unique, we combine bar stock machining for implants and chuck machining from the disc, for example.
That's a good point. So on the bar machining, you would have a bar feed on this machine, but you've also got a chuck as well. So you would be bar feeding the material, machining, and then is there a secondary operation with the chuck?
Effectively. I mean, in terms of bar stock machining, we have the main operations front. We cut the components from the bar stock. And then we have on the machine a device allowing us to grab the component before cut-off operation and do secondary operation after cut-off operation. That's a light finishing operation to get the parts finished out of the process.
Okay, and it's pretty fast, looking at the machine moving around here. Now, what are we talking in terms of the speed of the machine, the spindle, the axis movements?
Actually, that type of machine requirements from the market is not really the speed. Acceleration and speed, but requirements from the market are 5-axis capability, bar stock machining, disc machining, and obviously the size of the machine was a very important criteria. I'm sensing that it's the second time you've mentioned that, so it's a big factor. Machining complex parts and producing components in a small footprint. Mm-hmm. Another major point, requested from the market was as well a machine capable to machine, let's say, hard material. More and more of the components are coming out from titanium or cobalt chrome material, and we must have a rigid machine to cut difficult material. And the machine is built as a very solid, rigid machining center, so it offers to our customers a production machine.
And we talked about size of the machine as well, but to sort of finally touch on the size of the parts, how big are parts would you be machining in here?
Well, basically, if we are looking to bar stock machining, the machine, we can cut components out from a 27 millimeter diameter.
Okay, so that's the maximum bar diameter.
That's maximum bar stock diameter.
Okay, and in the UK market, Adriano, you might be able to give us a little bit more information about the UK market because you head up sales around the UK and Europe. What sort of markets do you see this machine going into?
For this machine, 308B, 308S, we see a great opportunity in the dental, medical market. So,
with the 308, what's the difference between the 308 and the 308S?
308B is a typical bar stock machine. 308S is a machine dedicated for milling from a disc.
And who would supply us with this machine in the UK?
The supplier for this machine in the UK will be KL Machine Tools, and with the support of Willemin Macodel, Switzerland.
Great, thank you both for your time. Thank you.
Yeah.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.